Hello guys, so let's create twisted buildings. I'm gonna extrude a box first and select it and write the command twist. We're gonna start with the base point of the extruded box and we're gonna continue to the top center of the box. Gonna select the first angle and the second angle based on how much twisted it's gonna be. I think it's perfect like that. We can adjust it just by clicking Ctrl Shift and selecting the face. We can adjust the length, the width of it. I think it's good like that. The other method is a little bit complicated. We're gonna draw a rectangle and we're gonna copy it by clicking Alt and clicking on the arrow. It's copied now, and we're gonna draw a small vertical line, and this is the trick. Okay, we're gonna start with small vertical line. If it doesn't work, we have to activate the ortho. Okay, so by activating the ortho, it works. And now we're gonna copy it on the four corners of the rectangle, and we're gonna do the same process for the top view. Copy 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here's the trick. We're gonna write the command blend curve, and we're gonna select two vertical lines so they're gonna connect with each other by a twisted way or by a curvy way. Here I'm gonna adjust the curveness. I think it's good like that. But I did something wrong. I didn't choose the right command of join. So I'm gonna control that to repeat the process. I'm gonna join them to be one line and not three lines. I'm gonna do the same process for all these curves. I can activate the command again without writing it, so I can just click the right click and it activates. So clicking the right click on the mouse and selecting the curve, and it's gonna work. Yes, now I'm gonna select two curves, gonna write the command loft and click OK. It's gonna be a surface. Now I'm gonna repeat the same process for all the curves, and it's looking amazing. But by using this process, we can manage how the curveness, how it's twisted it's gonna be. So I think this one is better to manage the proportional view of the shape. Okay, the first one is faster, but this one is more precise and more architectural studied. And now we close it by clicking on the curve and writing planar surface. And here is the rendered view. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like it. Also, we can adjust the length, the width, and so on by the command gamma. I think it's good now. We can see the difference between the two. Again, thank you guys. See you in the next video.